Marines. Because we kill everything we see.
It's time. It's time. It's time. Yeah. Now ever since I was a toddler, my papa gave me the knowledge to conquer and watch for imposters that wanna stop me from prospering. So as I ponder remembrance of all the drama and problems about $1, the reason I copped the chopper, the season for popping collars, I'm popular with that copper. What the fuck you thought? Ain't no easing up on this monster. Them heathens don't keep that weak shit from peeking around your tonsils. Bleeding with heavy breathing, sleeping and unresponsive. Believe that I had you begging and pleading to see the doctor. We got you. Somebody finally stopped you. Family screaming, who shot you? Mafia. Now that's that squadron of piranhas that don't fuck over no tour buses. They pop up at your concerts. No fly zone. Fuck your label and fuck your roster. You fucking with a real live mobster. So it's nothing to block you. You want attention from your sponsor. Address me by my motherfucking name. Godfather. Only God will give mercy.
We punish cowards for sacrificing the weak, baptizing them in the fire for slaughter, bringing death into my enemies, turning to a memory those who have offended me. Power, I am the punishment of God, worthy of being the king with power to even life, bringing death into my enemies, vision to the blind, what most of them pretend to be.
It's been a minute. No.